Hi, this is Epsit Bhardwaj, a CC of more, an ardent competitive programmer, and a web developer. This is my portfolio website that you are looking right now. Well, we're not here to take a look on my website, but rather to understand how to create and build such informative, such dynamic and responsive website. On a front end, we do it using three basic tools. First, HTML, second CSS, and third, last but not the least, JS, or the infamous JavaScript. And that's what we are going to talk about in today's video. Let's take a dive into what basically JavaScript is. JavaScript is nothing but one core technology that today's World Wide Web uses. You will be amazed to know that 98% of client-side websites in today's online world uses JS for their functioning. Why is it so? Have you ever thought why is it that JS is being used so much? The basic reason is that it is an object-oriented programming language that provides amazing reliability features, has a lot of libraries, and much more. Well, this video is just to make an announcement that we are gonna have a video lecture series on the same, on JavaScript from scratch. What does this mean? That I'm gonna cover everything from the beginning. So even if you are a beginner, no worries. Having a prior experience in HTML and CSS is good to go. You will have an even easier experience in understanding what JavaScript and how it is used. But even if you're a newbie, no need to worry. I got your back. Let's take a look on what we are gonna discuss in our next video. Well, we're going to discuss first why JavaScript, why there is a need to have JavaScript. Second, setting up an integrated development environment or basically IDEs. Third, web browser and the infamous F12 key, the key that we all have must press sometime in our life. Whenever we click on that F12 key, our developer page opens and we can see those big piece of codes that we cannot really understand what's all about. But yeah, it all looks so cool and fancy, right? No need to be amazed from that because we're gonna take a look over that now. Fourth, how browser understands JS, how JavaScript is implemented, and how browser reacts to it. And last but not the least, using the browser console. So stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.